This freshwater shrimp is a must-have. To start this pattern, we'll grab some olive Vivas thread, secure it to our hook shank, snap the excess free, and continue wrapping well into the bend of your hook. Next, we'll grab a mallard flank, secure about 10 fibers to the back of the fly, further securing it and wrapping up the hook shank. Once we reach the hook eye, we'll snip the excess free and wrap back towards our tail. Make yourself a tiny set of eyes out of some monofilament line. Secure it to the back of the fly. Use your thread to secure it tightly and also help orient it in the proper direction. Once complete, we'll wrap up towards the hook eye, grab some small green wire, and secure it to the head of our fly, wrapping back towards the eye. I also want to take a second to say thank you to Jay Stockard for bringing you this video. You can pick up all the needed materials to tie this pattern for 15% off in the link below. With our wire secured, we'll grab a dubbing blend. Here I'm using some ice dubbing in copper, green, and chartreuse. Create a dubbing noodle and begin wrapping this up the body until we reach the hook eye, at which point we'll brush it out to give it a nice, buggy look. Grab some UV resin, this one's my favorite, and spread it over the back of your fly. Once happy, we'll secure with a UV light, and then we'll come back and add a second layer. Building up UV resin in small layers at a time will help give the fly a cleaner look. Grab our wire and begin wrapping this in open spirals towards the head of the fly. Try to prevent from trapping as many fibers as possible in the process. Secure by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind and helicoptering the wire free. Whip finish to hold everything in place. Snip your thread free and brush out any trapped fibers, adding one more layer of UV resin over the top of our wire. And this is one of my favorite versions of a scud. Jay Stockard has provided a $25 gift card to one lucky winner. For your chance to win, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment #JayStockard in the comments below.